Hi, my name is Rosarito, and I am a patient of Dr. Amy Kajabi at Excellence Dentistry. I became a patient of Dr. Amy's simply because I had problems in my mouth, lots of problems, to the point where there was a white line going from the tooth to the mid point of my roof of my mouth, which was dark in color, and it was, I guess the way to describe it, like a big pimple that collected bacteria. And I could literally see it starting to make another white line going down my throat. Bacteria now starting to spread over my body. What I did was I started looking for a dentist simply because I had a tooth that was loose, and that tooth in the front of my mouth basically was supposed to have been metal free. I remember when I got that done, I asked the doctor to make sure there was no metal in my mouth. Well, little did I know, but there was metal in my mouth. So this tooth became loose, and I went to see about it. Every place I went to kept passing me on to the next place. I don't know, it was like something was wrong, but nobody wanted to address it. So they sent me to the next person. I ended up with a doctor who does root canal. She said, "Oh, sure, I can do it. No problem. This is your appointment date." I went back on that date, and then she told me, "I can't do it. I don't have the right equipment." But that was her job. All she did was root canals. Okay, so she also does not want to do it. But you know, in the meantime, I'm suffering. I know that this bacteria is building. The bump in the roof of my mouth is getting bigger. I'm not feeling well. I get online, I do all the research that I can do, and I come up with CeraRoot. CeraRoot, a non-metal implant. And I was like, oh my God, that's what I need. So I then looked up Dr. Amy from underneath CeraRoot's website, and I spoke with her. We spoke at length. Basically, she said to me that she understood my dilemma. She could help me. She agreed with what I was saying from what I had found in my research. And so we then made an appointment. I got to the appointment. She explained again what she was going to do. I was so relieved, seriously. Simply because I had another human being in this life who wanted to see and understood what I needed. So she wanted to see a positive output. She didn't want to just pass me on. And so we did the implants. It was a process, but it worked. I took pictures of my mouth for over a year. And the next picture that I took, the pimple had subsided. There was no more pimple. So it worked. I am now wearing metal-free implants, happily so. Very blessed to have found someone who understood what I was going through. I appreciate Excellent Dentistry, and know that this is one spirit that will help you.
How do you feel? How do you like your teeth now?
I like my teeth.
Could you show it to us? Could
I
you
can
give
show
Could you
it.
give us a
You
big
wanna-
smile? Nice, Rosario.
I like my teeth sometimes. No, but I like my teeth. I'm happy that there's no metal. I'm more happy that there's no metal and they look normal than anything. All I know is this, is that metal will kill you. Understand what I'm saying. You might not feel it. You might go get some titanium implants and think that's heaven. Yes, they're beautiful. But everybody I know, and in doing my research, within 10 years, they either had cancer, had died, or had other elements. Oh, it might not be a fact, but it's a fact to me. And trust me, I did my research. So, if you're really interested in holistic medicine of any kind, you will want to get metal-free implants. I can't stress that enough. It makes a whole bunch of difference. So come see Dr. Amy at Excellence Dentistry. You'll be happy, like I am. Bye.